How to hide or remove WhatsApp channel suggestions. WhatsApp channels are a new feature similar to broadcast or public pages. WhatsApp automatically suggests them based on interest. So that is why you cannot fully remove the feature, but you can hide or reduce suggestions. Firstly, open WhatsApp on your device. From the bottom, go to Updates. Inside Updates, you will see the channel's suggestions. It's not very much, so you can click on Explore More to explore more channels. If you are connected to any channels, make sure to remove them. If you don't want to be on that channel, then simply leave from that channel. Go to your settings on WhatsApp and scroll down. Click on the option Privacy. Inside Privacy, find the option Channels. If it's not available, then it's completely fine. Then click on Manage Interests. Now deselect interest that you don't want or want fewer suggestions. Also, make sure to check for any kind of updates that may be available for WhatsApp. If you see an update option, click on it to update the app. That's all for today. Thank you.